Monaco. Tiny on the map, yet its charm reaches across the entire world. This isn't just a playground for the rich. It's a place where history, culture, and a unique lifestyle intersect. Everyone who comes here says the same thing. Monaco isn't like in the photos. It's far more breathtaking. You start a Monaco walking tour. Looking around, you see colorful buildings and small cafes in the French style. The streets are so narrow that sometimes you can't help but greet the person walking towards you. It feels like every corner hides a different story. The same streets someone strolled 50 years ago, the very paths Princess Grace once walked. Pause for a moment. Look at Monaco in 4K and take in the harbor. The most expensive yachts in the world are here. Some head off to private islands, others simply sit in the marina, waiting for their owner to say, "All right, let's go out to sea." The sun glitters on the water, and the air is filled with a mix of salt and expensive perfume. When people think of Monaco travel, they often imagine only casinos and Formula One races. But this tiny country is also known for its ancient fortress walls, hidden gardens, and stunning panoramas. From the balcony of the Prince's Palace, you can see the endless Mediterranean on one side and rows of red-roofed houses on the other. Every frame feels like an open-air museum. Life flows differently in Monaco. Here, rushing is considered bad manners. People sip their coffee and chat, forgetting how time passes. As you walk the streets, you hear the growl of Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and McLarens. But for the locals, that's just another ordinary day. When night falls, Monaco transforms into a different city. From above, the lights look like stars scattered across the sea. Here, the day doesn't end when the sun goes down. Instead, the nightlife begins. Seaside strolls, gentle conversations under the stars, and a rhythm that feels endless. Monaco's glamorous side is well known, but it's also a place of simplicity and peace. If you come to the harbor before sunrise, you'll see small fishing boats next to luxury yachts. The older generation still fishes the traditional way, as if time hasn't touched them. In that moment, you realize Monaco isn't only about money. It's about a simple, timeless way of life too. When leaving Monaco, you think about how you'll remember it. For some, it's fast cars, luxury living, and casinos. But in reality, Monaco is a place where every step has history, where every street carries a different feeling. And perhaps what truly makes it unforgettable isn't the luxury at all. It's its unique, irreplaceable soul.